This is the Wabi-Sabi Residence, a beautifully designed home by Sparano Mooney Architecture, located in Salt Lake City, United States. Completed in 2022, this residence embodies the essence of the Wabi-Sabi philosophy, embracing simplicity, imperfection, and natural beauty. The design seamlessly blends with its rugged surroundings, using raw materials like wood, concrete, and glass to create a harmonious connection between the indoors and outdoors. Large floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light while offering breathtaking views of the landscape. The open concept layout enhances the sense of space and tranquility, making it an ideal retreat. With its modern yet organic aesthetic, Wabi-Sabi Residence is a perfect example of contemporary architecture that respects nature and embraces serenity. A masterpiece of thoughtful design and sustainability. The living room showcases a seamless blend of modern architecture and natural beauty. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels maximize panoramic mountain views, while warm wooden ceilings and floors create harmony. Dark navy seating contrasts with light tones, and a bold mural adds artistic depth. Minimalist furnishings enhance openness, emphasizing a serene yet sophisticated aesthetic. The kitchen features a seamless fusion of wood, stone, and metal, emphasizing a modern minimalist aesthetic. Custom-built oak cabinetry provides ample storage, complemented by a black tile backsplash for contrast. A sleek island with quartz countertops integrates a deep sink and high arch faucet, while pendant lighting adds warmth and sophistication. The dining room seamlessly integrates wood, metal, and neutral tones, featuring a solid wood table, black chairs, and a built-in kitchen with minimalist oak cabinetry and black tile backsplash. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling windows with wood framing, a floating bed with walnut accents, and a monochrome palette, creating a seamless blend of minimalism and warmth. For more views of the house, take a look at the photos below.